Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I am doing a slime review because I know you guys love them as much as I do. I purchased these slimes with my own money from Popular Slime on Instagram. They have a shop and I will have it linked down below if you would like to purchase some slimes from them as well. I purchased 3 slimes, Radioactive Strawberry Butter, Mango Puree Fuzz, and Rock Fuzz, and I was also sent a extra, so thank you very much. And then I got a bunch of candy, which I'm very grateful for. Here is everything, and it was all packaged very nicely, and there's a little slime care card. So this is everything I got in the package with some borax, candy, the slimes, everything. And a squishy as well. First off, I have the extra, which I believe is the Carnival Candy Butter, but I'm not sure if it is actually that. All of the slimes came a little bit sticky, but that is to be expected with slime, so I just added in some activator. So the texture of this slime was a little sticky to begin with, and it was a little bit harder to activate, but I just kept on spritzing on some slime. Spritzing on some activator. I didn't want to add too much, but the texture is alright. It's not my absolute favorite. It's a little bit stickier than I prefer. The scent, I couldn't really detect it, so I'm thinking it's unscented. The color is really pretty. I love it. Isn't it just gorgeous, guys? Like, how beautiful is that? That dark blue, almost, it's kind of close to purple. I really, really like it. Overall, it's an awesome slime. Next up, we have Mango Puree Fuzz. So the texture of this is Popular Slime's signature fuzz slime. I believe there is plastic fake snow that makes this particular texture. And I really wanted to get this slime for myself and see what this texture was like. The slime was really, really, really difficult to get out of the container for me. I don't know why. I just struggled a lot with it. So that's one downside to fuzz slime. But once I got it out of the container, I really enjoyed playing with it because the texture was really interesting. It wasn't your normal butter slime, or it wasn't like many other slimes that I've felt before, because it kind of reminds me of a glue wall texture, but it's a butter slime, but it's also a fuzz slime, so it has a slight crunch to it. The scent is amazing and the color is really pretty. It matches the mango puree theme of this slime. So overall, I really, really like this slime because mango is amazing. It's my favorite fruit, or oranges too, but mango's high up there on my list. So overall, this slime is really nice. The only complaint I have about it is just a little hard to get out of the container. Next up, we have Rock Fuzz, and I believe that every week they restock. It's slightly different than Rock Fuzz, or at least that's what I think. I'm not exactly sure, so don't quote me on that, but this is another fuzz slime. So the texture is the same as the mango puree slime, and as you can see here, I was struggling again with getting it out of the container. I tried to activate it. I didn't want to over-activate it because that's the worst if you accidentally over-activate slime, as I'm sure lots of you know. So I really wanted to make sure I didn't do that, but I did struggle a bit. There was a little bit of spillage on the side, which was perfectly alright. I ended up getting this out of the container after a while. It just took a bit of effort. And so I do like this texture, but I don't know why it sticks to the container so much, because it's odd. Like the butter slime that I'm going to show you after this one, it just comes right out of the container, so I don't know. Well, that's just something with this texture to keep in mind. The scent is amazing. I think it's like Fruit Loops or some type of sweet cereal scent, and it is, I love this scent so much, guys. It is amazing. And the color as well, before I tell you my overall thoughts. The color is really pretty. It's a light blue, similar to Carnival Butter, but just like a lighter color, which I really like. It looks really pretty. It's kind of pastel-y, and I like that color. Overall, I like this slime. I really, really love the scent of this slime and the mango slime, but I don't know if this texture is necessarily for me. I really like that I have this slime in my collection, but I don't think it's one of my most favorite textures ever. Last but definitely not least, we have Radioactive Strawberry Butter, one of Popular Slime's most iconic slimes. I remember this slime has been in their shop forever. I really have been wanting to get my hands on it because it's so vibrant and gorgeous. Oh my goodness, let's get into my review. So the texture is really nice. It is a butter slime. Popular Slime makes amazing butter slimes. If you need a butter slime, this is amazing. I would definitely recommend. It was just a little sticky as slime can be, so you just have to activate it as I am here. The scent is alright. I really loved the last two scents, and this one, it was just a little bit too fake of a strawberry for me. Like sometimes scents, you know, they can seem not as realistic, and this was a very like different strawberry scent than I am used to, but I liked it. It was a change, and if it's a radioactive strawberry, then this fits perfectly. So those are my thoughts about the scent. Color is amazing. As you guys can see, it is so vibrant and gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I love this color so much. And overall, I really like this slime. I think that I don't really have a favorite out of all of them, but I definitely love the basic butter slime texture the most. And my favorite scent would probably be the mango scent. If you want to see more slime reviews, I will have my playlist linked down below. I have a bunch. I love talking about slime, as you guys know. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time. Bye!